In this guide, we will discuss how to potentially turn $2,000 into $20,000 using a CPN, credit profile number. This is for educational purposes only. The information shared here is intended to help you understand the process and steps involved in utilizing a CPN effectively. Let's dive in. What's needed to get started? To begin, you will need the following: a CPN, both same-day and traditional files. A bank account with at least 3 months of paid bills documentation, e.g., Netflix, utilities, phone bills. A fresh phone number. A laptop or computer. Access to a VPN, virtual private network, and proxy site for privacy and security. Each of these items is essential for establishing a strong foundation for credit approvals and successful account setups. Actions to take. Create CPN files. Develop both same-day and traditional CPN files to maximize opportunities for credit approvals. Use a proxy site and VPN to set up the CPN files securely. Gather the required details such as name, date of birth, and address from a reliable source like Zillow. Ensure the Social Security number sequence is formatted correctly, e.g., 79,189 Oregon 76687. Acquire bulk email accounts. Consider purchasing bulk Gmail accounts to save time. These accounts can be set up quickly without IP restrictions, especially if you're planning multiple CPN creations. Install security measures. Use the DuckDuckGo browser and activate your VPN to maintain a fresh IP address and secure online activity. Document accounts. Ensure the bank account used has at least 3 months of bill payment history to support the CPN file creation process. Steps to creating a same-day file. Apply for Citibank. Use the first name from the CPN file and the last name associated with the bank log you intend to use. Capital One Base Pro Card. Apply using the CPN's first and last name. Ensure the details match the CPN file precisely. Clarity Services. Strengthen the tri-merge process by applying with the CPN's information on Clarity Services. Open an Experian account. Use a specialized link to create an Experian account. This backdoor method ensures a secure and direct setup. Input the necessary details, including a phone number from Text Verified and the last 4 digits of the zip code obtained from tools like USPS zip code lookup. Getting your Experian account started. Once the Experian file is created, the next step is to enhance it by adding accounts with reported bills to generate a credit score. Addressing any additional verification questions accurately. Adding public records. Public records are crucial for establishing credibility. Follow these steps. Use Lazy Apply. This job application site can be used to create public record entries under your CPN's name. Opt in to public records. Visit Opt-out Prescreen. And select the opt-in option. Enter your CPN details to integrate them into public records. Verify records. After 5 to 7 days, check your public records using LexisNexis Consumer Report to confirm successful integration. Registering with the IRS. Registering your CPN with the IRS allows you to create an EIN, Employer Identification Number, opening up additional opportunities for establishing a dual profile, CPN and EIN. Accessing Net 30 trade lines as a sole proprietor. Steps to register. Complete the IRS registration process for an EIN under the CPN's details. Use the EIN to act as a business entity, enabling access to higher credit limits and trade line approvals. Social Security numbers and EIN numbers. The EIN acts as a business-specific identifier, similar to a Social Security number, for the CPN. This can be used for personal guarantees on business applications, securing substantial Net 30 accounts for purchasing items like iPhones and iPads, Conclusion. Combining the above steps effectively can position you to access significant credit opportunities. However, patience and careful execution are key. Always ensure compliance with all legal and ethical guidelines. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we will dive deeper into registering the CPN with the IRS, Net 30 trade line applications, liquidating the setup. For updates and further guidance, subscribe to our channel. Remember, this is for educational purposes only.